Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to convert text to vector paths in Figma. This is incredibly useful when you need to manipulate individual letters as shapes, create custom typography effects, or ensure your text designs remain editable as vectors rather than text layers. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to your Figma file and have it open in front of you. Make sure you're viewing the canvas where your text element is located. This is where all the magic will happen as we transform regular text into fully editable vector paths. Next, select the text layer on your canvas that you want to convert. Simply click on the text to highlight it. You'll notice it becomes selected with the familiar blue outline around it. This step is crucial because you need to tell Figma exactly which text element you're working with, especially if you have multiple text layers in your design. Now, right-click directly on the text to open the context menu. This will reveal a list of options specific to text layers. The context menu is your gateway to all the advanced editing features that Figma offers for different layer types, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with what appears. From the menu that pops up, select Outline Stroke. This is the key command that transforms your text from an editable text layer into vector paths. What's happening here is that Figma is converting each letter into individual vector shapes with anchor points and paths, just like any other vector object you'd create with the pen tool. Once you click this, you'll notice the text is no longer editable as text, it's now a group of vector objects. After converting, select the object group that was just created on the left side containing each letter as vectors. You'll see this in your Layers panel, and it will typically be named something like Object or retain the original text name. This group contains all your letters now transformed into separate vector shapes. Each letter is its own complete vector path, which gives you incredible flexibility for customization. Finally, double-click any letter within the group to reveal the individual vector anchor points. These anchor points are the foundation of vector editing in Figma. By double-clicking, you enter into edit mode for that specific letter, and you'll see all the points and curves that make up that character. From here, you can drag anchor points, adjust curves, and reshape the letter in ways that simply aren't possible with regular text layers. And there you have it, you've successfully converted your text into vector paths in Figma, giving you complete control over each letter's shape and structure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.